Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're going to pop the hood right here. Pull that lever. There's a release right here. If you go to the center and to the right a little bit, right there. I'm going to grab the prop rod. You can put it right there. Here's your power steering fluid. You can loosen the cap up to the left and then pull it up. And there you can see there's a cold section and a hot section. This fluid looks like it's on the low side. Yep, it's not even on the dipstick. So we'll have to add a little bit. As you can see, this is right there in the cold, about halfway. We topped it off a little bit with this vehicle requires transmission fluid. It requires at least Dex 3 transmission fluid. We put in Dex 6, which is acceptable, and then we're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.